Hey guys, it's Ethan with Terminal.com, and today we've got a cool video for you. We're going to show you how to easily link and provision terminals. Basically, this is a script that you can use to set up clusters quickly and create the links between them without having to do them individually. This is based on a blog article that was written by Enrique over here at Terminal.com, and you can find it either by clicking on the link below this video or by going to our blog and looking for the article called Provisioning Linked Terminals. And I'm going to use this for a couple of the code snippets. As I've mentioned in past videos, the blog is an awesome resource for making these tutorials go a lot faster because we've got all the code snippets right here and you can just copy paste. You don't have to worry about typing out URLs properly or anything like that. So go ahead and make use of that. I'm certainly going to. We're going to start over here in our Terminal.com account. You can see I've got no terminals set up yet, but I'm going to go over to Public Snaps and just grab the standard Ubuntu snapshot and spin this up. We can name it anything we like. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the name the way it is, turn off auto pause, and hit start. Alright, so I've got my environment spun up over here, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what I meant when I said you can use the blog to speed things up. So this is kind of a basic command, but I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. And run it. And in the interest of time, I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead till this finishes, but I'll see you on the other side. Alright, now that we're done updating the package list, I'm going to go over here and just grab Python pip real quick. Copy it, paste, let this run, and again, in the interest of time, I'm going to jump ahead to when this finishes. And we've just gone ahead and installed Python pip. I'm going to jump back over to the blog post and just go ahead and grab the Terminal Cloud package. Alright, and that's been installed. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm just going to grab this script terminals.py script from the GitHub repository. And that should only take a quick second. And after that, I'm going to change the access rules here. So now that's done. Okay, now once you've gone ahead and gotten this script, you can either take a look at the options by opening the file up in your IDE, or you can come on over here to the blog post and check out some of the options that are involved in using this. You can see it gives you a lot of options that you can customize, anything from startup scripts that you want to run to the name of the terminals as you create them. You can select different snapshots to spin up. So you can spin up a cluster of 100 Ubuntu snapshots or anything else that you like. It's a pretty powerful little script right here. And you can find out what the options are by looking either, again, at the blog post or at the information on your IDE. Alright, so once we've got a good idea of what this script can do, we're going to go ahead and run it once. And the first time we run it, this is really just to set up a credentials file. And the credentials file is going to hold our user token and access token for later use. So we're going to run the script using the user token and access token options, and we're going to give it 0 terminals to spin up. And this is going to throw an error, but we're not worried because that's what we're planning on. While it throws an error, it's going to create a credentials JSON file, and that's all we really needed to do at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and just bring it over to the command line real quick. and then throw the U flag on there. And if you don't know where to find your user token and access token, you just go to your terminal account, go to settings, and then come over here and click on API tokens. Now, if you're doing what I'm doing and you're revealing these to the world on some kind of screencast, you're going to want to remove this access token and generate a new one when you're done, since this is supposed to be kept secret. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this user token, come over here, paste it, and then use the access option, copy my access token, paste it, and then end the command by typing the number of terminals you want to spin up, and remember that's 0 for this first one. So we got the error, which means, ironically, that everything's working just fine. Now, from here on out, we can use this command to go ahead and spin up our clusters. So I'm going to follow along directly with the tutorial here, just so you can see what it should look like if you're following along as well. And you can see that we're going to go ahead and spin up a series of 3 terminals, and we're going to link ports 6379 and 16379. This script.sh, that's just generic filler text. So if you wanted to use a startup script to configure your terminals as they spun up, you could go ahead and use the name of that script as it's stored on the snapshot right here. They're going to be medium size. This node right here is going to be the beginning of the name. And of course, here's the command. And you could customize this further, obviously, with the options that are available in the script. One of the things that you'll probably want to do is go ahead and use this with a specific snapshot ID. You can go ahead and spin up a cluster of snapshots, or a cluster based on a single snapshot. And there's information on how to do that in this blog post. So I'm just going to grab this for now, though, because for the purposes of demonstration, this is all we need. And I come back over here and paste it. And this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed up this section of the video, but I'll see you on the other side. Alright, and that's it. You can see here, this is the result. You can see that we started the first, second, and third terminal, and I left the script.sh in there, which was really just filler text, but it doesn't really matter. Just said there was no file found. So that is as easy as it is. I just spun up 3 terminals and linked them together in a single command, and that is the script terminals script. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Play with it, get out there, make something cool, and let us know what you made. You can find us on Twitter at Terminal Cloud, or obviously on our YouTube account. Go ahead and get in touch, show us what you built. We're always enthusiastic about user projects. So we will see you soon. Until next time, thanks for taking a look.